Hello and welcome to Principia's Testing Tips, our best tips and strategies to help you ace the SSAT or any other standardized test you might be taking. I'm Anna, one of our reading and writing instructors, and I'm going to walk you through what you can expect in this series and how to make the most of our instruction. First, let's walk through an outline of the topics that we'll cover. We've divided up the SSAT reading questions into some major categories, and we'll give you tips and strategies for each of those. Those categories or question types are main idea, tone, purpose, identifying details, inference, vocab and context, and figurative language. We also have a few recommendations to help you make the most of this practice. The first one is to start with main idea. Main idea is absolutely foundational for all of the question types that we'll cover, and so if you're looking for a good place to begin, start there. Second is to take notes. There's a very big difference between the amount of learning you'll do if you're watching these videos half asleep on your couch, or if you're engaged, writing down the strategies in your own words, and figuring out how to apply them when you actually take the test. Related to that, our third tip is to actually pause the videos to read the passage and answer the questions when we get to that practice. If you can actually read, pay attention, try out the strategy, and come up with your own answer before you listen to any instruction, it's going to go a long way to making sure you remember the strategies when you take the test and that you can apply them correctly. And then finally, contact us for further help. If you need more practice or are really stuck in your SSAT preparation, we'd love to help you out. Ready to dive in? Head to that first main idea video and let's get started.